I would like to formally congratulate Trevor Goldston for being selected as the 2023 recipient of the Robin Lally Promising Engineer Award.
The award provides an additional $5,000 per year for scholarship funding, as well as a $10,000 grant back to the recipient's choice of elementary, middle, or high school.
My name is Trevor Goldston. I'm a junior in the Mechatronics Engineering program at UNC Asheville and NC State, and I'm a proud graduate of Asheville High School. I chose my high school to receive this $10,000 grant because it was in high school where I realized that I had an immense interest in STEM, and hopefully with this grant, some like-minded individual can be granted the resources to have such an epiphany.
At Asheville High School, we're really proud of many opportunities that we offer now for both science, technology, engineering, and math. So all kinds of courses that center around engineering concepts, mathematical concepts, technology, opportunities for students to explore their interests that will lead them towards a career in this pathway.
Trevor, his work ethic inside the classroom and also in the wrestling room was tremendous. He was definitely a coach's dream.
He has a lot of fire. The acronym for that is focus, intelligence, responsibility, and effort. And he maxes out all of those characteristics, whether it's in his schoolwork, whether it's in his collaborative efforts on engineering teams or his internships and co-ops.
He's always been a phenomenal math student. I remember him coming up to the board to solve problems in second grade, and his solutions were so innovative and just mind-blowing to his classmates.
Whenever we would get a new piece of technology, something we didn't know how to use, which was, often, we know, okay, we're gonna call Trevor up here, give it to him, he would figure it out.
We knew then that he would probably go on to something engineering the way he liked to make things and put things together and make them work.
I'm going to go ahead and let Trevor hand this check off.